Green horizons.
Step into the embrace of nature's splendor, where the earthy fragrance of soil mingles with the sweet perfume of blossoms, and the gentle rustle of leaves whispers secrets of tranquility. Here, amidst the vast expanse of the outdoor landscape, lies a canvas waiting to be painted with the vibrant hues of beautiful green plants, a tapestry of life that transforms any space into a haven of beauty and serenity. Imagine wandering through a lush garden, where verdant foliage stretches as far as the eye can see, punctuated by bursts of colorful blooms that dance in the breeze. Tall grasses sway gracefully in the wind, their feathery plumes catching the sunlight and casting dappled shadows on the ground below. Nearby, clusters of ferns unfurl their delicate fronds, their lush greenery adding a touch of elegance to the landscape. As you meander along the garden path, you encounter a variety of plants, each one more enchanting than the last. Towering trees rise majestically towards the sky, their branches laden with emerald leaves that shimmer in the sunlight. Beneath their canopy, a carpet of ground covers spreads out in all directions, their tiny leaves creating a mosaic of color and texture that beckons you to linger a while. In the distance, a tranquil pond reflects the beauty of the surrounding landscape, its surface rippling gently in the breeze. Water lilies drift lazily across the water's surface, their delicate blooms adding a splash of color to the scene. Nearby, a cluster of reeds sways in the wind, their slender stalks bending and swaying with each passing gust. But it's not just the beauty of the plants themselves that captivates the imagination, it's their ability to transform any outdoor space into a sanctuary of natural beauty. Whether it's a sprawling estate or a cozy backyard retreat, the addition of beautiful green plants can elevate the landscape to new heights, creating a sense of peace and tranquility that nourishes the soul.
Damn.